guys, here we are back, and guess what, we are on a mission today. Yesterday we were spending all this time stripping this car up. I was so covered up now, you can see. Just give you a little quick look at it. That was the side that was not damaged, that was all fine, but the damaged side of it took us what, a good 3-4 hours to strip it, but we eventually have found some parts. So I was going to work on it a little bit more today. I don't think that's going to happen now because we are on a mission to go pick up a headlight. I've sourced one pretty cheap down Warrington. M6, pain in the ass. It's going to take me a good, what, 2 hours to get there, but it's not too bad. Obviously it's still early at the moment. Maybe the sun will shine a little bit later. I've got my shades, I got my Red Bull, and down to Warrington I'm going. I ain't got turbo anyone today, so it's just me. Obviously the missus as well going to be supporting me as we're going along on a road trip. Enjoy the day, have a good drive, get what we need, and yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Okay, we are here. I've been on a mission. I went to pick up this headlight. I'm here right now. It's took me what, 2 hours to get here, but as we know, M6 is a pain in the ass, and the area we're in at the moment is Warrington. Some of the guys that I met on eBay, he's got a driver side headlight, oh well, sorry, passenger side headlight. It's a bare headlight, but I can get that stuff up. So let's go check it out, where this thing is. So here it is, massive place, man. You know what I mean? Look at that, middle of nowhere. Let's go in anyway. I think he said, what he said is the headlight would just be here. I'm just gonna pick it up. Let's see where this headlight is. Ah, there we go. Right here. I'm sure he left it, obviously. The guys. Wow, there we have it. Boom. Can't go wrong with that. So it is a bare headlight. I've checked the part numbers, they all match. So I'm gonna need, I think, a little module that goes in there. I'm probably gonna need a module that goes there and one that goes under the light as well. So one that just goes right in here. But for the price I'm getting this headlight, can't go wrong. Place is massive. He doesn't wanna obviously put his place up what he's got. So that's the headlight. And I'm just gonna grab it. I paid the guy, all sorted. Grab it, take it. Nice one, mate. See you later. Hi, mate. So stick it in the car, and you know what? Another 3 hours mission to get to wherever I get to. But let's get this in the car. I had to bring a little. I've got a few parts in this car. I don't want to roll this. Check all this out. All of this stuff I've got in here. Got loads of stuff in here. But yeah, we can sort it. We'll get it all sorted. I mean, that's how we do it. So let's get this headlight in. The lugs and all that are fine on it. I think it's too late anyway. Paid the guy, it's all done. So let's get this headlight in, and then we're on a mission back to Birmingham. So M6, real weather, man. Wow. It was a bit dull when I got here. Ooh. But it's all good now. So M6, about 2 hours straight down. Got some roadworks, junction 21A or something like that, Warrington. I'm here, got some family here as well, but I don't think I'm gonna go see them. I'm just gonna head straight back and crack on with it. Oh yeah, so I have sorted some parts out that I'm gonna be needing as well. I've actually ordered them from dealer. So I've ordered like a few of the flinch brackets and stuff like that. Weren't too bad. I got a discount from my uncle. So I've already ordered them. And we're still on deciding what we're going to do with the car. So let's see what Project Wafter is going to bring. Let's get back on the road. Let's get out of here. 2 hours back to Birmingham. Enjoy the weather. Get a coffee service. Peace. Boom. See you in a bit. Shades out. Boom, boom. M6. Here we come. Back to Birmingham. What a mission it was. But you know what? M6, yeah, is a pain in the ass, because on the way here it's about 60 miles per hour for a good 40-50 miles, and on the way back it's 50 miles per hour, so even worse. But shades are on, enjoying the weather. Gonna put back the tunes. I don't want to play them because I got all this copyright and that going on. So see you in a bit. Peace. Yes guys, here we are. PW Walker. He's got his merch on today. Obviously don't get it all the time, but we are working on a bit more. Anyway, carry on. Part 2 of the 640D. Look at it. Little cap of it. Smashed. Right, well, it's not actually smashed now, it's stripped. You can see, boom, boom, boom. Fully stripped out. Take this off. So, fully stripped out. Yes, turbo. Wagwan. Peace there, bro. Yeah. So, PW is on a 2-man soldier today, and we are out to show you exactly what we've been up to. So, as you know, 640D is the project. Wakta and PW crew of Mr. Turbo is here. No one else, unfortunately, but we gotta keep going, gotta keep pushing, gotta keep moving. So, what we're gonna be doing today is revealing what parts we've been buying. Now, I've done a lot of shopping, seriously. We've done bare shopping, right? Bare shopping. We've been on eBay, Facebook, local sites everywhere, Germany, sites everywhere, trying to resource parts for this FO6 Grand Coupe 640D. And to be honest with you, they're an absolute pain in the ass, and also they're very, very expensive. So if you are out there and you are watching this 640D getting repaired, just to let you know, the parts are very expensive, so just be careful. Any project like mine, if you're going back to original and you ain't going to do what the PW do, you will probably looking at spending around about 3 to 4 grand of what I've just been done, and that's like some part worn, some second-hand parts and some not. So I have ordered some new parts from BMW. So I have ordered a headlight bracket from BM. I've ordered the flinch bracket, which is going to be connecting to the fender and the flinch. That's ordered from BMW. Some of the plastics that we're going to need to finish off the car is ordered from BMW. Also, we've got the water pump and stuff that's been ordered from BM. So everything that I'd say that really needs to be done from BMW has been ordered, because I don't mess about. It's got to be done right, and it's got to be done perfect, because that's what we're all about. So let's go check out what it is exactly that we have got, because we've been shopping. So in here, actually, you know what? Let's get this camera turned around. 1 sec. There we go. Boom, here I am. Camera's turned around. iPhone, I don't know why you've done that. There should be a button where we can turn that camera around, but anyway. So we had in here a condenser, which is for the air conditioning. Now really, this was not damaged, but it has been damaged from before, and I didn't get to replace it. So now I've stripped all the front end off. I thought I might as well replace it. And my boys from BM's R Us on Montgomery Street in Birmingham, Montgomery Street, they're my boys to hook me up. They've hooked me up with another one, which is a part war one. Apparently it's been tested, and hopefully once I've got this fitted in, the AC should be banging. Probably not for the rest of this year, because God knows how long it's going to take to sort that out, but for later on in the year. Next, what I've done is I've ordered and picked up what I showed you guys before, is this headlight. So there's the headlight that I picked up from Warrington. What a mission that was. And just to let you know, we went midday. It took us about 2 hours to get there. Probably took us about 3 hours to get back. It was an absolute nightmare, but we had the tunes on, we had the shades on, we're enjoying the weather, we had the drinks, the Red Bull, peace to Red Bull, we had that out, and we have finally managed to get this home. This is quite an expensive light. They range from around 600 to 900 pounds as a part worn, and they come absolutely bare. As you can see, I've been trying to connect some of my broken bits to it to see if I can get this all 100% right, but we'll see that a bit further on, because we will check it out on the car. Also, what else have I got? I have bought some of the bonnet brackets that come with the little, I would say, safety shoot, shot, piston, whatever this is, you know, sort of thing. Obviously you guys out there probably know a bit better. Now this is obviously damaged. I've ordered them off eBay, so they should be coming to me soon. Lynch, I've told you, I've bought off from BMW, so we've got that replacement part already. We've got some headlight bracket, that's from BMW, so we've got that already. We've got a grill for the bumper, So that's going to be fitting onto the bumper. And also I did have another light. My original light was a little bit scratched up and a little bit damaged from inside. So we decided to get another fog light, which is that one right there. All nice, no damage on it. So we've got that. Stick that in there, stick that in there. So that's been bought. I've been trying to look for one of these fender trims. It's something that sits around the engine, just right here. There it goes about, sits around there somewhere like that. So it is slightly cracked and damaged. I'm gonna see if I can repair it. As you can see, just a little bit just there. And I've had a look how much these go for. They're around £100 plus VAT from BMW. And I thought just a little bit here, all the rest is perfectly fine. I'm sure PW is going to be doing a little doctor job on it and getting that sorted out, so we don't have to change that. Put that right there. We've got to do a little doctor job on that. Now, the original headlight for the driver's side, I found in the previous, it has had a little bit of repair work done on it, as you can see through here. And also there's a scratch running through the headlight just here and there. And inside this headlight is quite seriously dirty, so I am not too sure what I'm going to do about that. I'm probably going to go get another one because PW's got to do it right. And the first time that I got this car and I'd done all the work on it, this was already done, so I couldn't really touch it at that time. So I think I'm going to get another one of them, but it's going to probably cost me again about £600–700. But the good thing is I've got the modules, so I'll take the modules out, put it in a new one, and we'll probably put this on for sale, probably £200–300. See if someone wants it. Now obviously they can't afford to go get another one. So put that down. What else have we got? I think that's about it. There's some things for Turbo. So Turbo, I think we're gonna hand it over to you. Let's see what Turbo got from the garage. Boom. Right, so what we got then, Turbs? You have not got a clue. So there was some bendy. There's, by the way, there's a pump. Oops. Let's get it over there, mate. Let's get it away from this path. Let's get it over there. Boom, boom. So this pump that sits right here has got damage on it, so I ordered another one from the dealers. But this pump, just to let you know, guys, you can pick this up from eBay or from other places as well. Part numbers, as long as they match, you should be fine. It's not just for a 640D, also get them for 5 Series and things like that as well. So that's some good stuff. So we've got a truck rod end, brand new. I think that's come from A to Z. Max from BM's R Us has told us that. He's got that from A to Z, brand new part. And we've also got a, I don't have to be very honest with you, I ain't got a clue what that is, but I think it's like a wishbone arm. So a wishbone arm, brand new, from BM's R Us in Birmingham, Montgomery Street. Check it out. So we're going to be fitting that, getting this wheel straight. Obviously the original wheel has damage. Let's actually go. This wheel, see right here, now this wheel has had a little bit of damage here. Now I'm not too sure if this wheel's been bent, but it's been popped open from here, the tyre. But to be honest with you, that was part 1 of the project. That's a 9J wheel or an 8.5J 20-inch wheel. I think that's going to be getting changed. We're probably getting them on for sale, so if you are interested in the wheels a bit later on, check it out, unless they're already sold. Sorry if they already have, but check them out. They'll be on my Facebook if I'm going to be selling them. Obviously that tyre will be replaced. If not, I'll just sell them as they are. This is a big garden. I'm probably going to stick one of these wheels on, probably a 17-inch or something, as long as it's got air in it. Stick one of them on and make sure. Yeah, it's coming home. Walker's bringing it home. Walker is bringing it home. Give it a boot. Another one. Whey! Anyway, carry on working. For you, mate. So what I'm going to be doing today, putting these parts in. I'm going to be testing the parking sensors. One of the sensors was damaged, so I'm going to test that. And also, I'm probably going to test the headlights as well, if I can. Whatever I can do before I put this car together is going to be tested today. I'll show you as we're going along. A little hyperlapse video for you guys. So see what happens. Love ya, peace ya. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in a bit. So I'll tell you what then, guys, what a mission that is. We have got anti-roll bar link on. We've tightened the shit out of those sockets. You ain't gonna get a better tight than that. Yes, you are supposed to use a torque wrench and stuff, but yeah, I'm sure if I can get it that tight, that ain't coming off. It ain't gonna give us a problem. Anti-roll bar link done. Wishbone is done. And earlier on, probably noticed in the video that I was doing the condenser. So the condenser is actually in as well. So that's all fitted. It's in. So that's done. Next, what we're gonna do is probably gonna put the wheel on. Maybe test it. I'll put the wheel on and test it. But let's see how we get on with it. So then, guys, here we are. Walker is fully messed up. Look, man, fully mashed up in the sun. Oof, beaming straight down at us. But I'm sitting in the sun getting some vitamin D. You know, the PW, the Walker, it needs vitamin D. And Mr. Turbo is over there. I think he's got a bit of hay fever and that going on. He's sitting in the shade. He's always snorting, sniffing. But yeah, you know, it's a common problem with him. We're gonna have to get it checked out, you know. Take him down to the MOT station, see what they got. Probably even stick a new spark plug him in because he needs a bit of shouting and all that going on, you know what I mean? Birds are obviously humming, singing, smashing it. So now, what we've got to do is put everything away. That is the longest mission. So I've checked everything out. I've connected the bumper on that. Maybe on the hyperlapse it's not on there. So everything's all over the place. The car is on the floor. I have drove it back and forward. Yes, Turbo. So, just gotta, the hardest bit of the day, man, is putting all these tools away. They're everywhere. But it's a must. It's got to be done. Because I spent a lot of money on my stuff. So it's got to be done. Everything's got to be put away. But as you can see, car's on the floor, the wheel is straight. I've measured up from the bulkhead to the edge of the wheel, obviously slightly different, so that's the normal wheel. That's just one I had in the garden. I just wanted to check it out. So I moved it back and forward, it seems all straight and that. I've connected the headlight, so obviously the new headlight is there. Bam. Bam. But that's obviously broken. I need to get something for that. And also there's just a little daytime running light module that's got to go in there, which that's the original one right there. That's totally mashed up, so I need to get another one of them. Also the AC is all in, the ducting's all on, parking sensors are connected. No bonnet still, but the hinges have been ordered. Check it out, turbo power, twin power turbo, boom boom, turbo,
Yeah.
turbo.